Hey guys, today we are unboxing another ASUS laptop. This is the X509J. It's a little i5, just a plain machine. You can use this for nice, it'll be excellent for office use and whatever. This one has got 4 gig RAM. You can add another 4 gig of RAM. I think the 4 gig RAM that's in here is on board. But yes, let's open this up and see how it looks inside. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so there we go. If you open the box, again you are greeted with a laptop itself in a nice kind of a sleeve, some user manuals, and then on this side you normally have just the charger, small little charging brick. All of these machines nowadays comes with these the smaller little charging pin. So let's see how the laptop itself looks. This one is again, it's a grey, slate grey they call it. Well, this is more like a silver, but it's okay. The finish is very nice. Oh yeah, you can see it's slate grey. Then on this side you have your normal micro SD card, a few lights, charging light and hard drive or power light, headset plug, 2 USBs, a lock. There's the speakers located at the bottom. I believe the sound will be good. We'll have a listen maybe, but then there's the charging port, type C, another HDMI and USB there. Or not another HDMI, but another USB. Yeah, it feels quite good. It's got a bit of a textured bottom, and this machine, at least if I look through here, it's got a fan. So you get a lot of machines these days that don't even have fans installed. They only put placeholders in the cheaper machines or the budget machines. And then the guys run specials on those kind of machines, and you expect performance from them, and it's just not possible. Okay, it's got a bit of a matte finish on the display. It does have a webcam, microphone and a light there. And then you've got a full keyboard. This is quite nice. It does look like much better quality than some of the other machines in this price class. The finish on it is excellent. I love these touchpads of the ASUS. I think the sound on this is also going to be very good because it's got the same sound as some of the what you call those, the other notebooks. It's got a 2-cell battery, so I do not know what the battery life on this is going to be. I might give some feedback later on. We'll test this and find out. The nano edge that they talk about is the edge on the laptop. It's it's a thin edge, so they do shrink this machine actually down to almost, some of them is almost the size of a 14-inch, but this one has got these side skirts. It's a bit bigger than normal. What I do see is the keyboard on this is fitted into the top cover, so keyboard replacement on this is going to be a bit more challenging if something happens to it, but yeah, everything else looks good. It does have a little light on the caps lock, and so you can see when its caps lock is on or not. Yeah, that's it. Normally, yeah, these machines, they don't switch on if you don't put them on power first, so maybe we can do a quick switch on just to, or turn it on to see how it is. Okay, I've got a charger plugged in. Let's quickly connect this. So I believe then there's a light. Yes, on this side there's a light that comes on and it shows you it's charging. So yeah. Okay, so let's switch it on. My lighting is not so good over, or at this spot where I'm recording. But okay, yeah, there you've got a good idea of how this display is performing in a very bright lighting condition or whatever. This is outside light. The window is shining directly onto the screen, and even from this angle you can still see clearly. So it's a very good quality screen. It's going to go through its processes because it's a brand new or first startup. So yeah, I don't think you guys want to wait for that. Maybe, I think I'll quickly gonna skip through this part.
If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
Okay, yeah, so that's the sound quality.
Your region is set to the United States. Is that right?
Okay, so if you wanted to hear what it sounds like, that's okay. It's acceptable. I mean, it's not very loud, but it's got good sound. So it does sound nice, bassy, and whatever. Now that's the setup screen. So I'm not gonna do a lot of stuff here or record a lot of stuff extra. Just wanted to see if maybe I can see the.
Now let's get you connected to a network.
Hey.
That way.
All right, thank goodness we got through the first time setup wizard or whatever, and there you can see now the machine's screen and the quality. I would install SSD into this machine if it's mine. I don't like to work with normal hard drives anymore, and yeah, this is it. So hopefully you can make a decision on buying this machine or whatever. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.